Hi, Kalia.
Hi!
Where are we going today?
We're going to the North. Joke lang.
Where?
BGC. BGC.
New York? Joke lang.
BGC.
We're going to the north.
We're going to BGC.
Why?
Okay. What are you going to do there?
Magbabayad.
Nang?
Pera.
Nang ano nga para sa bayan?
Sa court.
Sa house.
House. The house.
Okay. Bye. Okay guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa libingan ng mga bayani. Ayan, ito ay nasa BGC din. Taguig, part siya ng Taguig.
Pero ang alam ko dito yung yung mga cross lang. So you have 3 lolos here and 1 great lolo. Great ba o grand lolo? Great grand lolo. Great grand lolo. Those are the World War II
Mami, putot ako sa
heroes.
init eh.
Later. So we're now here inside libingan ng mga bayani. So those are the fallen heroes of World War II. Yan. So walang mga names na nakalagay kasi siguro dahil
Hindi na makilala.
hindi na makilala. Sobrang dami. Pero meron pa rin mga ilan na may name sa cross.
Identify.
Oo. So yan. Ang dami nila.
May chair pa oh.
Yes. So every November 1, nilalagyan to ng mga soldiers ng candles para kahit pa paano ma-visit din itong mga to. Yes, ma-honor yung kanilang death. So yan, magkabilang side yan. So maganda dito pag gabi kasi puro kandila yung makikita mo. Tapos marami ring tao palagi pag November 1. Great Grand Lolo.
Sino napatay dito?
Yung nandito yung daan eh. Oo, yun ang may daan. I hope we're allowed to go in here.
Ay, yata siya. Nakarze. Diyan kasi una yata nagmatay eh.
Here lies a Filipino soldier whose name is known only to God. Uy, Galia, come here. Oh, yeah. Daddy, walang name. Only to God daw.
Baka yata old na.
Pero yon kay ano.
Ay, baka old na.
I think it's a girl.
Ay, baka...
Who do you think that?
Ay, baka yata sobrang...
Yeah.
Ay, baka sobrang...
Old na. Oh,
I think ano, it represents all the
Heroes.
heroes, people.
Oh, how about there? Can we go there?
Yeah.
Can you turn off muna?
And that's our previous president, Carlos P. Romulo.
Kalia, come here.
Okay.
He was our president, Kalia.
Yeah.
He was our president. Hi, sir. How about that one? There, oh. President of the Philippines? Yes. Go there. Tara, let's go. Napag-aral. Alfredo Tolentino. Yeah. Sino to? Rafael. No, nakaliya. Hindi ko kilala yung mga yan. Baka. Look at my hair.
Yeah. So aside from all the tall buildings and the beaches and all, the reason why we invited you here or we brought you here is because, of course, it's all about appreciation, right? It's all about appreciation, appreciating all the good things that happened, not just the culture, of course, and not just the appreciation of how beautiful the place is, and of course, it's all about the people. It's all about the people. So for BGC, I believe this is the real story of BGC,
Yes. It's
the essence of BGC when it comes to people and place. And because people usually say, yun nga,
Can you Google him?
yung mga famous places
Cloud.
like
Claudio Tehang.
yung Market and all, pero really this is actually the highlight of BGC, of Taguig, right, Kalia?
Si... Ay, dito nagpakain si Kalian. Balik na ano. To change her mind. Ito na lang. Pasok sa budget. Oh, macadamia. Macadamia ba yan? Ganyan lang. Parang shot glass. 78 pesos. Hindi dito na lang. Wala pang 50. Ano yung 50? Too expensive.
kayong daddy?
Wala. Let's ask Dad. Because these are love lock. Sabi niya, nasan daw yung sa akin?
Mami, ilalim yan.
Mm-hmm.
Ibalik mo sa
Aliyah!
cover.
Aliyah!
Wala na daw eh. Wait nga, let's see kung meron pa. Meron pang
What if this is the style of the whole Philippines? Hi!
Picture mo kayo dali. Isa muna sa atin muna. Go ate.
Ayan, may mga
Kasi parang done na eh. Kuya, done na pigeon feeding, no?
Imagine if this is a whole village.
Mami, yun o.
Ah, yeah. May naiwan ako. Ayun mo. Taas.
Pero ayaw magkain kasi full na eh.
lot of toys.
Kasi yung mga likes ng tao nag-change over time. No?
Market po.
First of all, did you enjoy what we did today?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. But it was also very tiring.
What did you enjoy the most?
Ako, I miss this place talaga. Kasi, when I was pregnant with Chloe, dito ako nagpapatagtag. Diba? Do you remember that? It's a go-to place natin nung dito pa tayo sa Makati nagsistay. So, na-miss ko to, kaya na-enjoy ko ulit yung place na to. Hindi nakakapagod mag-walk. Kasi mahangin. And maganda yung place talaga. It's not about spending too much to enjoy the things around us. So it's not all about the precious locations. It's not all about the beaches, the road trips. It's also looking back to what was happened before. And as part of our purpose sa pagbablog, yung persons, yung people, no? So hindi tayo nag-focus today sa mga bagong tao. So nag-look back tayo sa mga heroes before na until now naman, no? Yun. Na-miss ko rin yun, yung libingan ng mga bayani. Kasi parang ilang years na ako hindi naka-visit sa libingan ng mga bayani. So, this year, you, what did you learn today? Daddy, habang nagbibidyoan tayo dito, yung isa doon na nagtatampo. So, yun.
Yes.